Hi guys, so today I want to show you my backpack, what we take with us for our road trip through Europe. I chucked everything in one carry-on bag and one additional small bag for all the tech stuff. This is only my bag. Cindy will make a video about her bag as well, but this is my bag and I just want to show you what goes inside. Okay, let's start with the tech bag. This is the bag we take with us. We take it from the car as soon as we go out. It contains all the valuable tech stuff. It's a very simple bag. We got it as a Christmas gift and, well, everything just fits right in. Let me move it aside. So what's inside the tech bag? It's the drone, the Mavic Pro. I got a nice little case for it as well. I got the Fly More combos, so that means I got 2 extra batteries. I got this multi-battery charger. I even got like a car loader, but I didn't put it in here. What else is inside? So I got the Hero, the GoPro Hero 5. I got a steel case for it, like an adapter for the microphone, but you know, GoPro didn't really do a nice job on that because the external microphone just doesn't work. I tried many different things to get it working, but it just doesn't want to record audio. So now most of our footage is done with the DLSR. I got the Nikon D3300 with the Rode video mic with a sound of a noise cancellation thing. Okay, so I got that as well. Video mic, very good audio. Now I'm recording from the phone with headphones, just to show you that we have this as well. I got a stabilizer for the GoPro. When we don't shoot audio, we mostly record with the GoPro. Put it in the GU Smooth Q. It's about $100, I believe, and it just, you know, when you're walking, it records in a very stable way, so definitely worth the money. I got a cheap tripod. I got it for a long time from Koenig. It's when we record still videos with the DLSR. Got a Nikon battery charger, a laptop bag for my 2015 model MacBook Pro, iPad Air 2. I like to read in bed and I got all my ebooks on there. A charger for the MacBook Pro. An external hard drive, 1 terabyte. A couple of these micro SD cards. Will be used for the drone and for the GoPro. And I don't know if you can see it. No, that doesn't want to focus. It's a class 3 micro SD card. You need it for. You have to actually have to check on what you record, and according to that you have to choose a class of your micro SD card. We want to shoot for 4K, so we chose the class 3. You actually have to look it up. I'm not sure about the specs, but if you look it up, make sure you choose the right class. What else? I got a mag light, also it was a Christmas gift for my wife. It's a very small mag light when you don't have any light near you. Or I have got a small travel aid kit. What else do we have? The Apple TV, very handy. Whenever we have Wi-Fi and we have a relatively modern television, we use it to watch Netflix. And in Holland you have Videoland. It's sort of like a Netflix. You can also watch it with when you stream from your iPad to your Apple TV. Very handy. That was it for the tech. Now to the clothes. I got my flip-flops and I got 1 extra pair of shoes. I have to be honest, I only wore it like twice or something in like 4 months. A belt, a couple of t-shirts. I actually packed too many already. My favorite t-shirt on top, it's like a dry fit Adidas. When we were in Italy, I mostly wore this because it's like, it ventilates and it's just very, very comfortable when it's like almost 100 degrees outside. A couple of socks, well, a pair of underwear, and then a couple of shorts. I only have 2 shorts, swim pants, and this is basically for colder weather because we're in Europe now and we are on the road till, well, end of November, so we have to pack for a little bit of cold weather. That's why I also have 2 sweaters and 2 jeans. Didn't wear them yet, but as I said, we're gonna go to inland Spain within a couple of weeks, and then I'm probably gonna need them. And then pretty much my favorite item in my inventory is my carry-on bag. It's a new bag, I got it from Lowe Alpine. I'm a big fan of this brand. I used to own a small backpack, and this one, well, the small backpack lasted for years and years. Went on many travels with me. And now I just got a new one. The main benefit for me for this backpack is I can chuck everything in here. I mean, all my clothes. It's handy for Europe, and when we go to Asia after, this can even go in my in the airplane itself as a carry-on bag. Let me show you the inside. As you can see, it's not that big, but when I do it like this, see, it has it's very flexible, so you can actually stuff a lot of clothes in there. This is a mesh net. Behind here I have my toiletries and my underwear. Another thing, when you look at the outside of the bag, I'm not sure if you can see it. It also has these straps, and you can actually strap it even more to make it a very, very compact bag. Another cool feature about this, and I think most of the Alpine backpacks have this, is this top pocket. It's pretty deep as well. And this is also great. You see? The shoulder straps, you can fold them away inside here. So you can carry the bag like this. And this is how it looks when everything is packed. That was it, guys. I showed you what's inside the backpack. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, press that like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.